Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you what data you can expect to see when you run a pipeline in Orchestra. One of our biggest differentiating factors is that Orchestra isn't just a platform that triggers and monitors tasks. We also work really closely with all of your favorite data tools so that we are able to surface all of the relevant metadata in a super helpful way so you can debug stuff really quickly. If I want to go and see what's happening with this product, I can see it's failed. So firstly, I'm going to go edit it to kind of see what's going on. You can see we're doing some data ingestion using Fivetran and hereby, doing some data transformation, doing some more ingestion over here. I don't know what happened. Maybe I've gone crazy. Running some snowflake queries and then pushing some data back. But this isn't working, maybe because I've just made some kind of funky ass DAG. But let's go ahead and view the lineage. So this is pretty basic. We can see nodes that are kind of faint have been skipped. So there's nothing you can see if you click on them. This one appears to have run properly. And here you have the status, the time it takes to complete, a helpful message from us, the time it completed, and there's this little view details thing that has even more message info. So firstly, you have the platform message, which is basically the last message that we receive verbatim from the underlying platform. In the event that we're interacting with them via HTTP, we have the HTTP status code and what that means. There's then some sort of more analog information here, which is fairly self-explanatory. A couple of helpful links. So you can view your connection in Orchestra, but you can also go ahead and view this zigzag run in Fivetran. You then have the task parameters, which are basically what you need to provide in order to trigger the task. So this is basically the ID in Fivetran. And then you also have the run parameters. So these are data points that are gathered by Orchestra from the underlying platform. These are quite important. But if we go ahead and look at this one, we can see that this task has failed, which is why nothing else has happened. And we can see, so this is what we think is the matter is. We failed to start the job because you're forbidden. The last time we interacted with the platform, we got a 403, that's forbidden. And hereby have said, an unexpected problem has occurred. The issue has been recorded and our team is looking into it. So that's not the best message, but fortunately we have the right status code, so we know exactly what's happened. These are the task parameters. There are no run parameters because nothing happened. But generally, whenever you run a task in Orchestra, whenever any asset gets materialized, you can expect to kind of see a little node like this and have all of the data that you need to work out what's going on.